up?
Yo, what's up? It's Gui back here with another motherfucking video.
It's your boy Antony, and we back with a motherfucking video.
Antony.
Anchovy. Oh, come on, bro.
With goofy head, but.
Hate them.
Alright, today though, we about to react to the singles reject each other with a press of a button
Y'all.
from channel Cut for real.
Y'all. I see what's going on, man.
But shit, let's get right into
Wait, hold on. So they just like
It's
denied
I
shit?
think it's like a blind date or whatever.
Blind
I think I've
date.
seen this shit, like clips of this on TikTok. Like, oh, actually no, I saw the one when they were blindfolded on TikTok, and the guy was like, "Oh yeah, you sound pretty cool. Can I give you a hug?" And he gave her a hug, and she was like big, and he was just like.
oh, it's one of these. Okay.
I think so. I mean, that's what it looks like at least. But fuck it, let's just watch it.
Alright, I'm gonna fuck with it. Let's go.
Okay, I have a joke. How much does a roof cost?
How much does it cost?
Nothing. It's on the house.
Yo, what?
She
How did
not-
she?
oh,
What?
Yo.
Nah, hell no. Nah, we cannot let that slide,
Yo.
bro. What the fuck was
It's
that?
not his fault your joke wasn't funny. That's crazy.
You ain't laughing at my joke, motherfucker. Beep. Get out of here, bro. No way. That was
If
crazy.
the button lights up red, either player may press it and swap out their date for a new person.
Get out of here.
If two people can last on a date for 10 minutes, it win an all expenses paid second date.
This episode was made in partnership with Native. Native has the
You heard that? Wait,
studio.
I would be like, if two people, they said if two people are compatible, you get an all expenses paid date.
Oh shit.
Isn't that? That's what you said. I would be like, hey, like, I don't really fuck with you, but I'm trying to get that little steak dinner type shit. Come on, bro, just come click that shit.
Come on, free dinner.
Is that all included? Maybe we'll fuck each other after dinner.
Come on, steakhouse. Same shit.
Like medium rare type shit.
Body wash has naughty, nice sense. Will our hopeful singles match with someone who's naughty, nice? Let's find out.
That's not a good ad, bro.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
I'm Seth.
I'm Alex.
Alex, great to meet you.
She buzzing
What
that
do you
shit.
do for work?
Mechanical engineer?
Okay,
Yeah,
my
she buzzing
sister's
that
a
shit.
civil engineer.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Are you really good at math?
No.
Can you give her 3 compliments?
3 compliments. I love your hair
Thanks.
and your glasses.
Thanks.
And, yeah, I like how you're matching. You got the purple, the blue.
Thank you.
Looks like you just got back from the When We Were Young festival.
Damn. Damn.
Yo,
What do you do?
yo, what do you want him to say? A goofy ass
It
man.
wasn't good enough.
Look at your hair. She was like, okay.
Did you reject him?
I feel like his compliments were based just on my physical appearance.
Well, to be
Bitch,
fair,
he
didn't-
don't know you.
He didn't know. What do you mean, bro?
I'm sorry.
He didn't know. He didn't know one thing about her yet. How? What the fuck is he supposed to say?
He didn't say anything
He
about my
didn't see me. He
personality.
didn't see me for the deeper meat. Stupid ass. Bro.
That's so fair button. Thank you.
Great to meet you, Alex. Good luck.
Oh no, it was definitely something else. We just capping
That's
about
okay, but I'm like geeking that you just said my name.
She's
It's
geeking.
like very
that. Yeah,
exciting.
boy.
do you have a crush on me?
A little tea. I'm Alex.
How you doing, Alex?
Nice to meet you.
Dapped her.
She
Bro.
was crushing on me.
Ooh.
I'm just a fan. Of
I feel like
Button.
he
I'm just
buzzing.
a big fan.
Why are you a fan of
Nah, he
the-
You
bullshitting.
jealous, Ken?
He dapped.
One thing you need
Nah,
to do.
bro.
Come on, bro.
Little ad, bro.
What's up with you, YouTube, bro?
He
I mean, I ain't.
Nah, I feel like the fact that he dapped her up, he's already like, alright,
Yeah, like this-
let me just see like what's good with her for a second, but like, I'm definitely buzzing.
Yeah, that's
The
definitely what it
jealous
is.
type, but don't be in my feelings like that. I know what I'm worth and what I look like.
Damn, yo,
Bro,
yo, he didn't give a fuck.
his strategy was
I'm
all
realizing
messed
I'm
up.
really looking for somebody who's like.
You didn't even let him.
personality
Wait.
who they
She
are
said I'm
on the
looking.
inside, you know?
She said I'm really looking for someone's personality. She didn't even let my man speak for more than 5 seconds. She was like, "What?" Hey, yo. Whatever.
Nice to meet you. My name is Blanco.
Nice to meet you. I'm Alex.
Yo, what is up with his
So what
shorts?
do you do?
Well, I seen this clip on TikTok.
What do you do?
I work in board game development.
Bunko, do you play board games?
Actually, I do.
Yeah? What board games do you like to play?
It's like a Bulgarian ones.
What's the name of the game?
Chushka.
Oh, okay. Very cool.
It's Bulgarian,
Yeah, very cool. Are you from Bulgaria?
Yeah, I'm from Bulgaria.
Okay.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Why did you press?
Because, just not my type. I'm sorry.
No problem.
What are you looking for?
Someone that's, likes to work out.
Yo,
You like to work out?
I do.
that was the most subtle sneak diss I ever seen in my life, bro.
Nah, I saw that clip on TikTok. That's just so funny.
That was a violation, bro.
I do like high intensity, like interval.
Weightlifting?
Sometimes I really like to swim actually.
What?
Tell him why.
I don't feel a physical connection.
Damn.
That's fair.
Are you sweating?
Kind of. I'm starting to in my hair, you know.
You need some.
She don't feel a.
I think your head's
She don't
strong
feel
as
a
shit.
physical connection. AKA is, I would not let him dig.
It's crazy.
Naughty or nice?
Definitely naughty.
Ari,
I'm Lana. Nice
nice
to
to
meet
meet
you.
you. What about yourself?
I read a lot.
Nice. What's your favorite book, right?
She buzzing.
This
I
shit
just
awkward
actually
off
got
rip.
done reading like a business leader book.
Oh.
Wait, what's that? I forget.
I think he beat ya.
I'm sorry.
No, it's all
Oh wait,
good.
do they make that sound if like they feel awkwardness in the conversation or something?
What do you mean? What's up?
Or like shoo, and then they both like race to fit it.
Oh no, they just like put it on a running time. I think.
I'm Ari.
Paula, nice to meet you.
He's just
I
awkward.
like your name.
Oh, thank you.
Really like your name.
What is your full name?
Well, my full name is Aditya.
Aditya? No,
Adi-
sorry.
No, you got it right. Say it again.
Aditya?
Yeah, that was good.
Okay. My name is simple. Paula.
That's crazy.
Why'd you push
Yeah.
the button on me?
This is not like that. But I really like your name, though. I love the
That's
name.
okay. Hi.
Not my type face.
What type of
Mari,
shit?
I'm Monica. Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you. Yeah, really pretty nice.
Thank you.
What's your type?
Do you have a type?
Yeah, I like girls who are like funny.
Okay.
And
Oh,
I like to laugh a
what?
lot, so
Like to
I like
laugh
to
a
make
lot.
people laugh.
Make him laugh.
Make him laugh. Okay, I have a joke. How much does a roof cost?
How much does it cost?
Nothing. It's on the house.
Corny.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Nice to meet
But
you.
it was really nice
Bro was
to
like,
meet
I
you.
wanna leave,
Ready,
bro.
next date is coming in?
Cool.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
I'm Annika. What's your name?
I'm John. So what do you do for work?
I'm a barista and I teach like performing arts classes for high school
No, they
students.
look like
Well,
they
that's
would
cool.
go
I'm
well
also a
together.
teacher.
Yeah, what do you teach?
I'm a
Yeah,
preschool
yeah.
teacher. So I teach kids who are between the ages of 3 and
Preschool
6.
teacher?
Right
No,
now,
I
I'm
don't
assistant,
know if
but
I
working
want
towards
bro
becoming a
on my
lead teacher at some
preschool
point.
student. Actually.
Cool.
Monica plays the guitar.
You do. That's
Yeah.
super cool.
Thanks.
Do you ever perform anywhere?
Not
He-
really
he
right
looked
now.
like he's sweating.
Mainly just like for myself and like my friends. and
Definitely
stuff, just
nervous.
for fun.
Yeah.
What are you looking for in a relationship?
So I'm looking for something long term. I don't want to just date someone for a couple of days and then just
Yeah.
meet in with each
So
other.
something like serious.
Yeah.
Do you want to like get married and stuff?
Eventually, yes. But, of course, it would be a case where we get to know each other first.
Yeah, I feel that.
Oh, not ready
It was
anymore.
it was fun and then it wasn't. So,
Oh!
Looks like
Got it.
that's okay. I'm just not really looking for anything serious.
Okay.
What?
Well, nice to meet you, though.
You on this
Thank
show?
you. It was nice to meet you.
Oh.
Nice to meet you,
Oh,
too.
fun.
Can I ask what you do for work?
I'm a bartender.
You are.
What do you do?
I'm a preschool teacher.
Jackie, do you get naughty or nice vibes from John?
John is giving really nice vibes.
Well, that's good to hear.
Just
Do you
like-
You
have
never
a
wanna
little
hear
bit
that,
of a bad side?
I'm gonna say no. Okay, I'll think of something interesting to say. I guess you could say, okay,
He just seems a little nervous. I'm
Damn.
sorry.
it's alright.
Nice to meet
Bye, it's
you,
not
John.
nice.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
He
Oh,
was really
my man's can't be like a
He
little
really
nervous.
was.
Yeah.
Do you do that to men, Jackie?
Maybe a little. I'm Jackie.
Calvin,
Calvin, nice
I ain't
to
gonna
meet
lie.
you.
Wait, nah, I ain't gonna
tell
say
me
that.
about you.
I was a dance and psychology major, and now I take classes every once in a while. I have a job where I get to dance and serve at the same time.
Can you dance, Kelvin?
I do dance, yes.
What kind of dance you do?
I took a private bachata lessons.
Bachata? I took a couple of bachata classes.
Oh, wow.
You two should dance together right now.
Right
I
now?
don't know.
Little bit chatter.
He's just like,
Bachata, bachata, bachata.
but child.
The chatty shit.
That was adorable.
You're adorable, too.
The button or me?
Both of you.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Let's tap
Damn, if one of
some
them pressed the button, I'm gonna be surprised.
each other's hands.
Do you wanna hold hands?
Sure.
Do you like each other's smell? Smell each other.
Okay.
They got a little vibe going.
I like that.
They smelling each
You chose
other.
a naughty or a nice scent.
I think you chose a naughty scent. You chose nice.
Yes.
Candy cane.
Might have been that, yeah.
Are you sweet like a candy cane?
I am.
You two are really cute. Is
Yo,
this-
my man's ready to slap that button.
I'm open to it. Yeah. Let's go on a second date.
Oh, I didn't even catch that.
Alright, I'm gonna light up red one last time. If you don't hit me, you win the button.
If she slaps that shit, bro.
Oh,
Oh shit. Oh.
Congrats. Would you
I
like
thought she was gonna sneak like a little sneak this real quick.
Yeah.
So, we have a gift from Native. They're going to give you some products to take home and
It's really
try.
a deodorant.
The one to use.
Could you
I
say-
use that on my hands.
92, yeah.
Which one are you going to take home? Which one do you like?
I will take fresh mistletoe home.
Mistletoe. Put it above your head. And
No, she applies this
Oh,
over.
you think you're getting somewhere, but
Okay, let's do it.
okay. Should I hold it up?
yeah.
No. Oh shit. I thought he was gonna put the deodorant on
That
first.
was so sweet. Experience naughty and nice holiday scents by Native. Head to Native.
Why are they putting that voice with their ad, bro? That's not it. Oh, it's the voice from the bug.
Oh, that was the end of
Wait,
it.
is that the end of it?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. We'll catch y'all on the next one.
Took my heart and made it